Hello everyone, welcome to CUET General Knowledge episode. Let's start today's episode. First question is, the term Arab Spring refers to a series of uprisings that occurred in which region? Option A, Central Asia. Option B, the Middle East and North Africa. Option C, Sub-Saharan Africa. Option D, South Asia. The correct answer is option B, the Middle East and North Africa. The Arab Spring was a series of protests and uprisings in the Middle East and North Africa beginning in 2010. Next question is, who wrote the book The Prince, which is considered one of the most influential works on political theory? Option A, Niccolò Machiavelli. Option B, Thomas Hobbes. Option C, John Locke. Option D, Karl Marx. The correct answer is option A, Niccolò Machiavelli. Niccolò Machiavelli wrote The Prince, a treatise on political power and leadership. Next question is, which country was the first to establish universal health coverage? Option A, United Kingdom. Option B, Canada. Option C, Germany. Option D, Sweden. The correct answer is option C, Germany. Germany was the first country to implement universal health coverage in 1883 under Chancellor Otto von Bismarck. Next question is, the Berlin Conference of 1884-85 regulated the European colonization of which continent? Option A, Africa. Option B, Asia. Option C, South America. Option D, Australia. The correct answer is option A, Africa. The Berlin Conference of 1884-85 regulated European colonization and trade in Africa, dividing it into colonies. Next question is, who was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize in Economics? Vikalp A, Amartya Sen. Option B, Elinor Ostrom. Option C, Margaret Thatcher. Option D, Barbara Tuchman. The correct answer is option B, Elinor Ostrom. Elinor Ostrom won the Nobel Prize in Economics in 2009 for her analysis of economic governance, particularly the management of common pool resources. Next question is, the Sistine Chapel ceiling was painted by which artist? Option A, Raphael. Option B, Michelangelo. Option C, Leonardo da Vinci. Option D, Donatello. The correct answer is option B, Michelangelo. Michelangelo painted the iconic ceiling of the Sistine Chapel, located in Vatican City between 1508 and 1512. Next question is, the Alps mountain range is located in which region? Option A, North America. Option B, South America. Option C, Europe. Option D, Africa. The correct answer is option C, Europe. The Alps are a major mountain range in Europe, stretching across several countries including France, Switzerland, and Italy. Next question is, the Cultural Revolution was a political movement in which country? Option A, China. Option B, Vietnam. Option C, Russia. Option D, Cuba. The correct answer is option A, China. The Cultural Revolution was a political movement initiated by Mao Zedong in 1966 in China, aimed at preserving communist ideology. Next question is, the Dome of the Rock is located in which city? Option A, Cairo. Option B, Jerusalem. Option C, Mecca. Option D, Medina. The correct answer is option B, Jerusalem. The Dome of the Rock is a significant Islamic shrine located in Jerusalem, one of the holiest sites in Islam. Last question is, the theory of cognitive development was developed by option A, Sigmund Freud. Option B, Jean Piaget. Option C, Carl Rogers. Option D, Erik Erikson. The correct answer is option B, Jean Piaget. Jean Piaget developed the theory of cognitive development, focusing on the stages of mental development in children. Now it's time for practice question. The Moscow Olympics were boycotted in 1980 by which countries? Option A, United States and Allies. Option B, Soviet Union and Allies. Option C, China and India. Or option D, United Kingdom and Germany. Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.